Guys, I did it again. I went to Dollar Tree and I got some really great finds. This time I have 3 bags. So if you want to see what I ended up getting, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so to start off, I picked up these eucalyptus leaves. I love the quality of them. The color is perfect. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Possibly some type of a DIY project, and if not, maybe I'll use them to like decorate the home. But make sure that you guys have your notifications turned on because I have a lot of video ideas coming up and I don't want you guys to miss out on it. And for those of you that know me, I love anything that has to do with the beach. I picked up these really cute dish towels. So it has like a turtle, it has some seaweed. I just thought it was really nice. I love these colors. These are my favorite colors. I picked up 2 of these to decorate my kitchen for the summer. Oh, I picked up these mermaid pins because in my kitchen where I have my calendar, I have a section where I can like pin notes and stuff like that. So I thought that that was really cute to add to the kitchen. All right guys, this next item I've been waiting for the longest for them to restock because every time I go to Dollar Tree they never have them. So they brought back these hand sanitizers, which are dupes of this other brand that I see that they cost like $10, like the actual brand names, and this is only $1.25, and it does the same exact thing. The packaging is so cute. This one is cucumber mint and this one is a watermelon. I haven't been able to get my hands on the other scents, but hopefully one day I will. And then lastly for this bag, I got these nail art tools, which I could also use for crafting purposes. I was actually looking into something like this and I'm happy that I saw it at the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up this really cute eyeshadow palette. I think that it's perfect for the summertime, this neutral palette. I feel like you can never go wrong with a neutral palette, and I like how it's small enough that you can just put it in your pocketbook or put it somewhere for your everyday makeup. All right guys, the next bag is all graduation stuff. Ariana's gonna be graduating this year from middle school, and I cannot believe that I am saying this, and she's going to high school next year. She will be in high school with Genesis. Like, where has the time gone? But anyways, I'm super happy to be celebrating this milestone with her. So I'm gonna show you guys what my finds were, and make sure, like I said, that you guys have your notifications on because I will be doing a graduation party decor video. I did one for Genesis. I'm gonna post it right here so you guys can see that. I got this grad sign card. That was really cool, and it has the little stand in the back. Then I got the tablecloths. This is something that I really liked. This is a banner, but the quality of it is really nice. It's like fabric and sequins. And then I picked up these really cute plates. Then I was able to get a pack of 20 black balloons. I got these plastic picks that I am going to be using for the cupcakes. And then I got these party poppers. I got a pack of 3. And then for the summertime, I always like to do something really nice for the girls. I picked up this really cute summer sign, and it has like a watercolor hibiscus flower and leaf with the gold letters, so that's gonna be fun. For this bag, it's like a lot of just random things. So I picked up this bouquet holder with a foam inside. The girls are gonna be having their sweet 16s in a year or 2, and I just wanted to get ahead and pick up these things so that way I can start preparing for it. Then I was in need of another plastic balloon pump. I feel like this is always very helpful for those balloons that you have to fill up manually. And then when I'm barbecuing, I got these corn holders, or what is it, corn tray sets. that comes with 4. So I picked up 2 of them. I also got the corn holder. These fishnets. I got a pack of 3 because I'm always doing parties, and you know, sometimes I'm doing like sea themes or beach themes, so you can never go wrong with that. Oh, I did have another graduation thing. I got this really cute graduation card. I picked up these glow-in-the-dark sticks for Memorial Day coming up. I picked up this first aid kit. This is perfect now for the summertime. You just have everything all in this little box, especially like if you go to the beach or to a theme park. This is perfect for that. And then I also got these moisturizing cleansing wipes. Again, perfect for the summer if you're at a theme park, if you're at the beach and you just want to refresh. The cool thing is that it has vitamin A, C, and B, and it's for soothing and refined texture, and it's the scent coconut sugar. I got these small candle holders. I had already gotten some in the past that are a little bit more taller, and I painted them in gold, but I needed a smaller one, so then that way like the levels of it. So I'm gonna be spray painting these in gold. Picked up this acetone, which I like because it's 100% and I feel like it removes my nail polish just fine. And lastly, I got this elastic bandage. That's pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure that you give this video a like. Also, make sure to subscribe. Make sure you have your notifications turned on. Go over to my social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'll post things that you won't see here, like pictures or behind the scenes. And as always, guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching my videos, commenting, and just showing all of your love. I really appreciate it. And until next time, guys.